Very good morning, students. Hope you all are very fine. Okay, now I am going to start chapter number 4 of your honeycomb textbook. Okay, and name of the chapter is The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Part 1. Okay, the author is William Elliot Griffiths. Now pay attention. First, before going to read this page, you just read. I am reading the summary from another textbook. Okay, so you just be on this page. I am reading the summary. In 19th century Japan, there lived an old couple. Their only companion was a little pet dog named Muko. They loved it as if it were their baby. Okay. In 19th century in Japan, this is the story from Japan. There lived a old couple. They were having a dog. He was their companion. He was their pet. His name was Muko. M-U-K-O, Muko. They loved it as if it were their baby. They gave it pieces of fish and boiled rice to eat. Are you getting my point? They gave him pieces of fish and boiled rice to eat. Muko also loved its noble master. You know, noble means honest. Muko was a very honest dog and he also loved his master as his master loved him so much. What happened next? See, the old man was a rice farmer. He worked hard with his spade. You know spade, one instrument, spade. From dawn till dusk. Muko followed him every day. Dawn till dusk, it means सुबह से लेके सुबह 4 या 5 बजे से लेके रात तक, अंधेरा पड़ने तक. That man, he was a rice farmer. That old man was a rice farmer. He worked hard with his spade. From spade, it means farming instrument. You know spade, farming instrument, from which you can pick the soil and you can make a hole in the soil. That is called a spade. And Muko followed him every day to the field. Muko was with him every day. It did not attack the white heron bird which used to kill cornworms. The farmer was kind to all the living creatures. Are you getting here? It did not attack the white heron bird which used to kill cornworms. Cornworms, it means if the field of corn is there, okay, and the worms eat them and damages that field. Okay, so it did not attack the white heron bird. This Muko never attacked on white heron bird because he was knowing that he is used to kill cornworms. The farmer was kind to all living creatures. This farmer was very kind with all living creatures. One day the dog came running to its master. It motioned him to some place behind. The old man followed Muko to the place where it began to scorch. The old man used his hoe to dig the earth. He found a lot of gold there. One day, Muko sat at his place and the old man found something in his finger. Okay, and the old man dig the earth there. The old man there dig the earth. The old man found too much gold there. he found a lot of gold there. The old couple became very rich, and in this way the old couple became rich. They bought land, hosted a party to their friends, and gave generously to their poor neighbors. What they had done? They gave a party, they become very rich, they bought some land, hosted a party to their friends, and gave generously to their poor neighbors. And some amount they gave generously to their neighbors. Okay, now what happened next? In the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife. Wicked, it means not good. In behavior that couple was not good. Wicked, WICKED. They were unkind to all dogs. This another couple was very unkind to all dogs or all creatures. When they heard of their neighbor's good luck, they called Muko to their garden. Are you getting here? When they heard, because of Muko, this couple became very rich. Because of Muko, this couple became very rich. So this wicked old man, this bad old man and his wife, they called Muko to them. They offered Muko in their garden, and they offered it fish. They hoped that Muko would find treasure. Treasure here it means what you can say in Hindi, sampatti. You can say treasure, है ना? For them also, khazana. Intention was behind calling Muko at their hut. It was, Muko will also find treasure for us. But Muko refused to eat any fish. But as Muko was a very honest dog, honest pet, he refused to eat any kind of fish. The dog took them to the pine tree in the garden. What he has done, what Muko has done, the dog took the old couple to a pine tree in the garden. The greedy old fool danced with joy, and that greedy old couple danced with joy. He began to dig. That old man began to dig, but he found only a dead cat in a pit. Pit here it means gadda, hole. Okay, whenever he dig out somewhere, he dig out under a pine tree, then there he found a dead cat. In a fit of anger, he beat Muko to death. But that old man was beaten Muko so badly, Muko became dead. The owners of Muko mourned for their pet. Okay, what happened here? The owners of Muko, they were very fair, they were very good. The owners of Muko mourned, it means whenever someone will die, so we pray for rest in peace. Okay, we mourn them for some minutes or for some seconds. सांत्वना करना, यहाँ पे मीनिंग लेना है माउन का. They put flowers and water on its tomb. Tomb means his funeral. Okay, tomb. That night the spirit of Muko appeared to the old farmer in a dream. And the same night, spirit of Muko, spirit मतलब आत्मा, मुको की आत्मा वो फार्मर के सपने में आ गई. It asked him to cut down the pine tree over its graves. क्या बोला मुको ने सपने में आके? Cut down the pine tree over its grave. उसकी डेड बॉडी को जहाँ दफनाया गया है वहाँ से पाइन ट्री के कट डाउन, वो पाइन ट्री जस्ट लेट इट कट डाउन. मेक अ mortar for rice pastry and a mill for his bean sauce. और क्या बोला उसने? Make a mortar for rice pastry and mill for his bean sauce. Soon the old farmer made a hollow place in the tree trunk. He with his wife made a hammer of wood and pounding rice. They baked the pastry and suddenly the whole mass changed into gold coins. Here what he had done, he had baked the pastry and suddenly the whole mass changed into gold coins. Okay, the jealous old neighbor noticed bean sauce turning into gold. The jealous neighbor noticed the bean sauce turning into gold. The old couple became even more rich. That old couple, they were fair, they became more rich. So the neighbors also did same. The neighbors also did same, but their pastry and sauce turned into worms. जैसे जैसे ये अच्छा वाला ओल्ड कपल करने जाते थे, वैसे ही वो पापी जो ओल्ड कपल था वो भी करने जाता था, बट उनको सक्सेस नहीं मिलता था बिकॉज देयर इंटेंशन वॉज नॉट राइट एट ऑल. And they destroyed the mill borrowed from the old couple and burnt it. Okay, so we are going to stop here. In next period I will summarize part 2. Okay, so take care of you.